Hello friends, today we are making khichdi. It is a very easy recipe. Let me know how you like it in the comments. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. First, wash rice and lentils, also known as mosur daal. We need tomatoes, onion, cinnamon stick, cardamom, and chili. First, add oil and golden fry onion and cinnamon stick cardamom. Add ginger paste. Add garlic paste. Add 2 spoons of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add in your tomatoes. Mix it very well. Add in our chilies. Add in our rice and mosur dal. Mix together. Add pre-cooked dal or water. Mix in everything together. Cover for 30 minutes. All ready to eat! Once again, if you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.